Did he get started now?
Still dry, yeah? Still dry.
Oh, he's ready now.
Where are we looking here, boys?
Get the head straight down there. Straight down.
Oh, I see him.
You might be able to get him from there, like.
Come on me. Get down. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Back in. No, I don't. That's it. Yeah. I'll rest when I'm dead. Again? I'm up for anything better than sitting here, mate. So, Nick, fancy that? First side, left hand side, let's go. What's going on?
There's a lot of them built up in the you'd have to go on space, you know?
Yep.
I'm straight there in the middle, so the bottom is mid-section.
Right.
Once I tap on the left, I'll push that back there, so this is going to be our sector here. Push on the other side, so you can see how it's going.
Probably the firefight now.
Wait a minute. Keep pushing the back side down to there. Just give it up on the middle of it there.
Guy moving,
Right
yeah.
to that, yes, it is. That's what I'm on at the minute, I'm just straight down there. I'm moving to the left.
You have to do tree cover, yeah. Guys, let me see these trees, yeah. Put your head down at the minute, you're talking about. Tell him there's a guy on a hut. Guy on a hut with this flag here. There's a guy coming around the right hand side. Also as well, come here. Head down, get down! Guy that just moved up this tree! Line ahead of me! Come on. Cool. Cool. Non-banded, Charles Mick. Charles out full back. Yeah, he's behind us, I pulled him full back.
Yeah, they're falling back.
Take that space then. Let's pull up the space up. Take the tree. Yeah. Gonna go at this tyre, mate. I'm going to move to this tree, Ant, okay?
Left side.
I'm going to move to this tree, give me some cover. Yeah. 3, 2, 1. Good hit, mate, good hit, good hit. Yeah, fucking stung. Whoop.
One over here.
Got me in the lug there, mate, well done. Oh, hit. Man down, man down. Dead man coming out, dead man coming out. Go back to the car. Yeah.
Dead man walking.
Oh, mate, is it you, was it?
Yeah.
Oh, mate, what a fucking shot, pal.
It was great. We just looked at each other and
You were
went,
like,
shit.
I was like,
Zing.
oh, you. And then you just kind of stood up a little bit and I was like, oh, it's red, fuck.
All the way through that trench, because I'd heard you boys. I was like, ooh, contacts, yay.
Well done, mate,
So
well
I
done.
touched that one and I was there going, scrolling through, going, please.